Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Ford Focus Zetec. This car comes with the 1.5 diesel turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 118 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 62 miles per gallon. This is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 9,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic chrome blue, and this is the Premuim paint, which the first owner paid more for, and it's in really good condition for the mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you can see you've got the nice clean interior there. Seats are in great condition. You've got the nice hard wearing fabric there as well, and there's also an armrest for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you've got your large multimedia screen on the dashboard at the top there for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has air conditioning as well as cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And then finally on the driver's door card you have your electric mirror and full window controls. The rear doors open nice and wide, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own 12-volt socket there in the centre for their devices. And being the estate, as we open the tailgate, you've got the really good sized boot there, goes back a long way, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then you have this clever floor which lifts up, so you've got some storage there. And then below the bottom floor you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's good to see. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 16-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. Our number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.